What's up, guys? We're doing a truck tour here, me and my buddy Luke.
Hey, 55 F-100.
55 F-100, two-wheel drive, 3-speed on the column. Nice little truck. It's got a ton of aftermarket parts, but I ain't
Some bitch cost a lot too.
I ain't gonna sit here and name all of them also. See, it's got this daggone hitch bumper. Came from Bobby Claghorn Ford.
Yeah, I need to get this.
Tail lights.
I need to get that on there.
I mean, freshly painted the other day. But got good gear polyglass.
We forgot the clear coat.
Custom power cushion with Keystone wheels.
Those have been on there for a while.
5 lugs. So they got diamond tucked interior, velvet. So you said
I need to get a new seat.
3 on the tree.
I mean, it's mint condition. I just don't like it.
Got that. Dang, that's a nice radio right there.
It'll start up.
It's even got its own tuner.
Where'd you put the key?
There's a gas pedal, a floorboard. Nice floorboard.
I can start it up for him.
Ashtray.
I can start it up for him.
Glove box.
Oh, here it is.
Start it up for him. Oh, we
Okay.
got this good luck keychain right here.
Yeah. Oh, that's not important. Oh, that might be upside down. I don't know.
That's right.
I don't drive this truck much because it's so nice. Gosh dang it.
It's got
I gotta pump the gas.
It's got 42,000 original miles.
I gotta pump the gas on it.
Pretty nice little truck, see? Hey, look, come hold the Camry.
Hold on, I'm starting it up.
Ford F-100. Washed it the other day.
Oh.
Hold the Camry. Nice windshield. Okay, where's the handle? Oh, it's somewhere. We'll find it. Oh, I found it. It's got a V8 in it.
Brand new hood. I just bought that hood.
$500.
$500.
An aftermarket book.
Hey, don't bend that hood now.
See, it's got a crate motor in it.
Oh, fingers on it. Sorry.
2-barrel carburetor.
Actually, 220, 222 or
See the
223. I forgot.
manifolds and the stuff on it. It's nice in here, Liz. I'm telling you. Look.
Look at that.
Look at
Look at that
cleaner.
injector.
Look how good the air cleaner looks. Plug wires brand new on it. Let's get a look at the other side.
I got the rest of the motor in the shop.
Look at all the paint, how it's all good and
Look.
everything. Pine needle.
Gosh dang! I swear I just changed that oil.
Dipstick. Say Ford F-100. It's pretty nice, I'm telling you. Let's get a whole shot of it. Look at that thing. Look at the stance on her. Let's take a look at the bed now.
God dang it.
Let's see, there's the rear end, 12 bolt, 5 eye traction. Here's where the bed would be, right here. See, it's got white thing on the other side. Back glass, you can see through it. There's a spare tire carrier, but see, gas cap right here. Put the gas in there right there. Another nice window glasses, nice headliner. Look at the headliner. Let's take another look at that radio. That thing's nice.
Well,
yo.
I'll give it to you if you want it. I'll give you the motor.
Here's a spare tire right here. It's a 6 lug though.
It runs.
Nice little motor, ain't it? Nice little thing. Here, I'll show you the grill. Watch
It's
out.
just not good at cold starting.
Let's look at that. Oh.
I wish I could start it. It's just not good at
I'll
cold.
show you the underside. What do you think about it, Luke?
Well, the spark plugs aren't hooked up, but I could start it right now.
Good.
Yeah.
It
See?
just need the plug wires on it. See, you gotta put it here. Nice little glass pack cherry bomb. Pretty nice.
What do you
up on
do
there.
with the belt?
Oh, the belt?
Yeah.
Nah.
Everyone.
We gotta go to Slacks and get. Look, the cab corners ain't even rusted out of it. Look at that. It's nice right there. I'm telling you, like, you got a nice vehicle on your hands, boy.
Thank you.
Emblems ain't even pitted on it.
I drove it up in Canada where all that salt's on the road. I ain't doing that again with my nice vehicle.
There's a four-wheeler right there. Nice headlights.
I drove it up to Canada. They put salt on the roads
You gotta
up
have
there.
it. Look at the nice hose.
It rusted it all out.
Look how nice the hose is. That's where it's supposed to go.
I'll tell you what happened.
This is what we tow all the other Chevrolets.
I tightened that too good.
He tightened it too tight.
I tightened it too good.
See, this is the oil filter. Look at that.
Yeah, that might need changing. I just changed the hole in that.
That thing there's pretty nice, I guess.
Gosh damn it! It ain't show. I mean it.
Wiper blades is nice. Under the hood, look at this. How nice it is up under here.
I'll show you something if you want to see.
What is it?
I'll show you something if you want to see something. This right here.
Yeah, valve cover.
I bought it brand new, $500 for the swap meet.
What, Commerce?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was crossing the train track. This ain't the one I bought.
Yeah.
But I was crossing the train track.
Yeah. Over at Commerce at Lula?
Yeah. And I'm in the back of my truck. In the back of this truck, actually, going home. And come back here.
Okay.
Let me show you something. I'm good. Come back here. Come on, Corey. I forgot one thing. I threw them back there. I was crossing the damn train track and they just fell out because yeah.
Where's the? It used to have a wooden bed, but you know how we said we don't drive it much, Luke, because it's too nice.
Yeah.
The wood bed rotted out of it, so that ain't too nice. So look at the leaf springs.
Leaf springs, yes I can.
Good car cover to go on it.
That's close.
Oh, well, it worked. There's tailgate.
There's tailgate on there.
There's tailgate right here. Safe. M-O-R-D. Let's take a look. Hold that thing, Luke.
Gotcha.
Hey!
Dang it.
Ah! Okay, that's outstairs on there. So you guys, now
I need to cut on my fingers again.
short.
Oh yeah, all that will come off. I just sandblasted it yesterday.
Just scrub it off with Scotch-Brite or something like that.
I sandblasted the outside yesterday.
Let me find something to dry it off with. Y'all fellas see anything? Here we go.
Now, there's only two that I know of.
That are this color?
That have no.
Oh yeah, this is the only one. See, that's the color. Sharp, ain't it?
There's only two that I know of, but I don't know a whole lot. This right here, I'll show you what it's for.
It's a whole spare tire.
Oh!
You gotta take the lug nuts off. Oh, let's turn it. You okay?
I'm fine. Oh. Help me up, oh!
Let's go in the shop and get us a lug wrench. Take that off with. Okay, here's this nice shop right here. But it's still, there's an old man.
Damn it. I need to get that in. That ain't working.
Unlock it. Let's go in here and see what we got.
Piece of junk boot.
Breaker. Okay. Where's the lug wrench? I need a 3/4 socket and ratchet.
Here's the original muffler.
Yeah, that's flow mesh. 3/4.
Here's the other part of the original.
I need a 3/4 socket. No, it's probably 11/16. 13/16. That's it.
It's got original tires on it.
Here's the boat. Pretty nice. Go back out here to the truck.
All original.
I think it's the right size socket. I don't know. Oh yeah, hold this thing. I'll take the lug nuts off. Hold it.
Hold on. Gotta get a good view for the viewers.
Alright. I just don't want to make y'all fellas at home jealous about our dang truck. Leave it in the comments what kind of truck you drive.
Yeah, and we can watch your toy. This video's getting too long. I need to end it. Gosh dang.
There's all three of them. Don't steal it.
That's a 6
Hold
lug.
the camera. Get this on camera. I gotta install it. If I can lift it.
You think up, Corey? Don't hurt yourself now. Don't hurt yourself now.
Got him. Put it in the slot.
God almighty.
Oh.
I think the tire's too small.
No.
That's just showing you what the tire. Move out of the way. Move out of the shot.
I can't help it, Corey.
Move out of the shot, will you?
Well, that's what it's supposed to look like. It ain't gonna work because it's a 6 lug.
Yeah, but there's only 2 that I know of that have that on it. That have that on it.
What, the spare tire carrier?
Yeah.
Pretty nice.
And you can tell it's all original because it got that.
Yeah, and see how the lips folded just like Ford done
Yeah.
back in the day. Well, thank y'all fellas for
Don't want to get sidetracked.
viewing. What do you think, Luke? What do you got to say to the
my
viewers?
truck, it's a nice one for sure, but
And I'm giving it away at 5,000
no,
subscribers.
I'm not. Sheep or not.
Nah, maybe one of these days. Well, he's tightening up the lug bolts. Okay. Well,
I wish I could
bark.
start it up for you, but you know the plug.
Right here on the face. I'll bark at you later. Holler.